What's up, guys? How you doing today? And welcome to another episode of One Man Missing from the Team JD TV Co. Nick has left. Nick Jr. is currently married and in Italy. So he's gone for I don't know how long. He may never come back because I wouldn't, right?
I wouldn't either.
What'd you say?
Said I wouldn't either.
So behind the camera today is VC. She set everything up. And let me tell you something. She set this set up like a pro. Like Nick wouldn't have done as good a job. I thought I didn't know she was an expert in this field.
I've been here for a little while.
So anyway, real good story. You know, VC, listen. Some people have a face for radio, like me, but I think you should be on the camera. What do you think?
Wow, thank you.
Come on over.
Okay.
I've known VC forever.
Literally, since my existence.
Yeah. Her dad is my best friend, and I've known him since we're 14. I'm 14 years old. That's a long time, right?
Very.
Good stuff. So VC knows a thing or two about tools, and I figured this would be a perfect opportunity to bring her over here. And Nick always hogs that side of the camera,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
He does.
Right. Yeah, he does.
So we got VC over here now. And everything here is VC oriented.
My picks.
This is VC picks. And the reason why we have the Bolt Buster here, sorry VC, is back in there. No, VC came to work for JD Tico. It was pre-COVID.
Yeah.
2018?
Yeah.
2018 VC started working for us. So when VC was working out of the house, we did a video on Facebook.
We did.
This is Facebook. This is like when Facebook wasn't even like big with the videos and stuff. Mm-hmm. And she got 64,000 views doing a demonstration of the Bolt Buster in the garage.
Yeah, that's right. Wow.
And she was a pro. So how much is the Bolt Buster?
The Bolt Buster is $415.
$415. It's the full coil set, and we sell tons of them. And now we sell a lot of the mini ductor, just a different variation of it. And how much is this one?
That is $584.
$584 for the mini ductor full coil kit. It's on the app and website, right?
Yeah.
Were you here before the app?
Yeah.
You were here before the app.
Yeah.
I think
I was here when we were just doing Facebook.
Remember the old days?
Yeah.
Like back in the day when we were just on Facebook, we were just like kind of a walk down memory lane. When we were on Facebook and we just post something with a price and people would buy it, but they couldn't tell you what it was. So everything had to be a different price.
Yes.
Whether it was $1 or a nickel.
Yes, to differentiate what the item was.
Yes, because we had no way of people telling. So this is how long we've been online, right? It's been a minute.
Oh yeah.
So that's how far we've grown, is even from working in the basement.
Yeah.
You started out in the basement, right?
Yep.
Yeah. We started out on a kitchen table, then we went into the laundry room.
Yeah,
right.
We had a couple shelves.
The basement we did. It was nice down in the basement.
Yes.
How about the mailman?
He was a jerk.
The mailman hated us because we were running the business out of our house and
But he is still your mailman.
He is still our mailman. He's like 100.
Yeah.
And he
reminds us every time we see him.
He was helping load the trucks up, right?
Yeah.
And he was never happy.
No.
Okay. So we talked about the Bolt Buster.
Yep.
Did video. Boom. And this is made in America too, which is hard these days. This is made in America too. The first job VC did for us at Jersey Discount Tool. Do you remember what it was?
Selling the half-inch?
Nope.
Oh, that's right. That was my first solo.
So
mission.
What happened was, I met the manufacturer of these at a tool show.
I totally forgot about this.
I didn't. It's a great story. So I met the manufacturer of this company at a tool show, and I was like, "This is what I want to do." And he's like, "I can do that." So I was like, "All right, no problem." So we went over to the tool show, called him in. We was like, "All right, we want to do an order." So he was like, "The first order is going to have to." He goes, "You're going to have to, for free shipping, it's going to be $1,000 minimum."
Yeah.
Now, today, for us to spend $1,000 is nothing.
Right.
Nothing. I mean, no problem. But this was an idea we had. We were hoping it was going to sell. So to spend $1,000 on boots
was a risk.
Was a lot. It was a risk.
Yeah.
And I'm like, that's a lot of money for free shipping. I said, if you can bring it down to 500, I could probably, we could probably do this. He's like, nope. He goes, I got to stick to 1,000. And I'm like, again, I'm a hothead. And I'm like,
Yeah.
F you. I hang up on a guy.
Yep.
we had a mutual friend in the tool business, and he must have called him and goes, "Dude, I really pissed this guy off. I don't know what happened." And this other person who you know, I don't want to say who.
Yeah, right.
I don't want to say who it was.
Yeah.
Called me. He's like, "Nick, what happened?" I was like, "Dude, I can't do $1,000 on my first order. I don't even know if they're going to sell." So he's like, "Nah, just call him back. You guys can figure it out. He's a good friend of mine." Blah blah blah. So now the next day, VC starts to work at JDTco.
Yep.
She goes, "What do you want me to do?" And I'm like, "You want to make a phone call?" She's like, "Yeah, I'll call." I go, "Let me give you the backstory." So I told her what happened. She's like, "No, I can do this." Calls him up, and Mark's like, "No problem. We can do that for you."
Yeah.
And they made the deal happen. But our first order with our name on them, remember? I come into the store. Now we're at the warehouse at that point.
Yeah.
And there was boxes and boxes of these with our name on them. And I'm like, "Oh my God, who spent this money?" And VC's like, "I thought it would look really good."
Scared money don't make no money.
And I go, "VC, if these things don't sell, I'm going to be giving them for Christmas presents."
We had so many of them.
Oh, yeah.
But they moved.
It became one of our best
Yes.
sellers. And I'm the only person in America that you can get all these colored boots for your Milwaukee tools from. And when our first ones were red,
Yep.
right?
Mhm.
And I think we just did red for a while,
Yep.
right? Then I think we did black. And then we got crazy.
Well, then colors like really became important to everybody.
Do you remember the Easy Red 3-piece tray kits?
Yeah, of
You
course.
remember switching the boxes?
Yeah. Yeah.
We played a prank on the industry. There's none here, but Easy Red had these three pack of trays that were 3 different colors: red, orange, and green. And everybody wanted just green, so they didn't make them. So what we did is we took them apart, made them all green, and we told everybody that we were the only people in the world with them, and people were losing their minds.
Technically, we were.
We were. We sold them as 3-piece red, 3-piece orange, or 3-piece green. It was fun.
Yes.
We do a lot of. We try to have fun here.
Yes.
We do. I mean, like, people think I'm a miserable person, but I'm
No,
actually.
we have a great time here.
We do. We have a lot of fun. We do. We laugh all day, and there are a lot of interesting people walking the door. Correct.
Oh yeah. But colors became very important,
Very important. And the latest color is
which
purple.
people went nuts for.
Purple. So now we can get most of our boots in one of these 3 colors. What do we sell more of? Do you know?
26?
No. What color?
Oh, I would say either green or purple.
Okay. Hot new colors. Anyway, fun fact from back in the day.
Yeah.
How many impacts do you think you've put orders through the years?
Thousands and thousands of them.
Thousands, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But I like it. I know the part number, the price.
Which part number is this?
Is that the new one?
Yeah.
Shit.
Got her!
29.
I don't even know. I can't see that.
2967. It used to be 2762.
VC. I see you set the cameras up. Are you going to be able to edit this?
Yeah. We're gonna make do. We're gonna make do.
Oh my God. All right. So how much this is?
I don't. $259.95.
Oh, we're doing a deal. That's right. We did a deal. Bear tool, $259. That's a good deal.
Yeah, it is.
And I think we got about 3 or 4 of them left that we're going to do at that price. Then are going to go up. Because that's matter of fact. We got to keep an eye on that.
Okay.
Because that's it. We did a crackhead deal. We bought a few cases of them. And we got a really good deal on them, so we blew them out, and it worked out very well. But we only got a handful left, right?
Yeah, we do.
And VC, she wanted to talk about we were like, VC, I go, VC, pick some tools out you want to talk about. We'll do like a little show. She goes, first thing she said was pink drill bits.
They're so cute.
They're so cute.
And nothing comes in pink.
Yeah, he did this as a real small run. This guy, the guy that owns this company, his name's Andy. Did you ever meet Andy at
No,
Tool
I
Show?
haven't met him.
You probably did it. No, at Tool Show? No?
Maybe last
Okay.
year.
So Andy's a really nice guy. He's a little firecracker, super nice guy, and very passionate about drill bits. And he came out with pink. They did a limited run, and they took off, and everybody wanted pink drill bits cases. So I think they're full time now. How much are these?
These are $169.
$169. This is the best drill bit you're going to find. This is made in America, and this will drill through anything. And guys, there's no warranty on drill bits, but when you buy drill bits with a warranty, you're paying for it. The same set from Mac Tools with a warranty is over $500.
Oh yeah, I can
Okay.
imagine.
So you're paying for the warranty.
Yeah.
So if you slow down your drilling and you use proper lube, the drill bit will last forever. Forever. And if you break this little drill bit here, we will sell you one separately, and it's about $3.
Right.
So think about it. You have a warranty, but it's going to take you 10 years where you're going to be not upside down.
Should we bring me back signing things?
Hey guys, if somebody buys something that we ship from the store, you want VC to sign it, if you go back to our first video I forgot about
I feel
this.
like while we're getting nostalgic.
Yeah, I forgot about that. The first, we had to start a YouTube channel back in the home days before we shot our first video.
Yep.
Because we wanted to upload a video to Facebook and we had to go through YouTube to do it. And as a joke, our house is on a very big hill.
Yes.
And we sent VC down the hill on a creeper.
Right.
Because I bought a pallet of Aircat creepers. Remember that?
Yep.
I bought a pallet. And this is, again,
That was another thing. We didn't know if they were going to go, stay. We didn't know.
and I had nowhere to store them. We were working out of the house in a garage.
Mm-hmm.
So I bought a pallet. People thought I lost my mind. I'm like, no, we're going to sell these things. We're going to get VC to go down the hill and test it, blah, blah, blah.
There's a lot of hype around it.
So now, we love VC. We wouldn't want to hurt VC, so we used a stunt double
Mm-hmm. We bought this wacky blow-up doll.
with a blonde wig.
Yep, stuck a blonde wig on her, put her in
Mm-hmm.
a helmet, whole suit, and sent her down. And people really thought it was me.
Oh yeah, it was funny. If you go back to our first video, you can find it and see it. It's funny, right?
Yeah, but then I ended up signing that creeper because somebody wanted that specific creeper.
You know who it was, right?
I sold him the house.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Jared?
Oh no, I thought it was.
Jared, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You know Jared. I mean,
Yeah.
he's been to he still
That's
comes to the
right,
store.
Yes. I think we signed
Jared?
one though for Felix.
We probably did.
I think we did.
You sold him a house.
I did.
Listen, during COVID, VC was holed up in her house and she didn't want to come to work, so she got a real estate license.
Yep. So if anybody's local,
Anybody local
shameless plug.
needs a house, I know a girl, sell your house. Okay? And you sold her, she sold people from the tool page.
Yeah. Yeah,
houses,
a
which
couple
is-
local people, which is very cool.
Okay? Who you know. The more you know. All right, guys, listen. Oh, listen.
Oh yeah.
Last but not least, Vim. I love Vim. Have you ever met the Vim people?
No, I haven't.
You really should. They're nice people. Family-owned business.
We love that.
We do. How much is this?
That's it.
Mhm.
49.
$49, and this is the complete pick set, and it's spooned. You know what that's for?
No.
O-rings, so you don't damage them.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay. The more you know.
The more you know. And listen, VC was on a phone call the other day with her significant other. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Okay, significant other. And he owns a construction company.
Yeah.
And you got to hear her tell. I got to tell the story. I got to tell the story, VC. I got it, right? You don't mind?
Yeah.
do you?
No.
So her boyfriend owns a construction company. Now, it's when I say construction company, it's a fairly large construction company.
Yeah.
Okay? I mean, they build like big stuff.
Yeah.
And he's wanting to buy, and he's saying, what is,
A bunch of stuff. He needed a bunch of power.
he wanted a Milwaukee tool that he could put a bid on. But we're like, when you say like impact, yeah, you know, the thing. And like, your father's in construction also.
Yeah.
And they talk the same, right?
Yes.
It's funny. And it's like, does he want an impact? Yeah, he wants an impact, I think. But no, he want to be in a hex driver or something like that.
I have no idea.
It was all over the
But I
place.
should have known. That was the problem.
But it's funny, you know. Here's VC who knows what tools are.
I know.
And
It
there's
cracked under pressure.
and the guy owns a construction company. And he can't explain what. He said, Rob don't want. He don't. That guy doesn't watch this, does he?
He might.
Oh. Anyway, nice guy. What? You don't think he's a nice guy?
No, he's great.
He's a great guy. We forgot to talk about the wedding. It was a great time at the wedding, right?
Yes, we had a beautiful time at the wedding.
Listen, my son, who's Italian,
Yes,
married a girl that's Greek,
we love her.
love her, and they had this big Greek wedding. Like the one you see in a movie, it's the same thing.
Yeah, it
but
was
in
my
real
big
life.
fat Greek Italian wedding.
VC looked amazing. She had the
Thank you.
most beautiful dress you could imagine on.
Yes, the dress thing was a whole to do.
We should get pictures put in. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we'll insert. Listen, was I the only person who did an outfit change with a tuxedo?
Yes. And that was the first I ever heard of father of the groom doing an outfit change. We are innovative around here.
Listen, I wanted to be like classic for the wedding,
Right.
but
And fun.
and I want to be fun for the party.
Absolutely.
So I broke out.
Business in the front, party in the back.
Hey V, VC,
Uh-huh.
give him the old send off. Oh, hang on. If you buy something this week, VC's gonna be here all week.
Yeah.
Call in, place an order, and he wants something signed, she'll sign it, right?
Absolutely.
And like we always say, what?
Come for the show, stay for the prices. What do we say? Come. What do we say?
Come for the price.
Stay for the show.
Peace. Good job.
Thank you.